COVID-19 has impacted many businesses across the board, and car dealerships are no exception. People do not come to physical dealerships like before, and millennials prefer buying cars online. On the other hand, online buyers have access to many websites and they do comparison shopping. If you're looking for increasing sales, reducing operational costs, and additional qualified leads from your own website, we can help you overcome some of these challenges with our digital retailing solution. Your website needs to do more than collecting leads and engage your buyers, such that they provide conditional offers, negotiate prices, and can opt for car deliveries while finishing remaining formalities, all from the comfort of their homes. RoboNegotiator is an AI-powered software that does exactly this. We enabled expedited virtual negotiations through our patent-pending technology and closed the deal fully online. You can tailor the button of your website to your preferences, and we'll help you create the ideal customer experience. Depending on the counteroffer by the visitor, we automatically accept, decline, or engage your salesperson for expedited manual negotiations via emails and text messages. And throughout the sales process, our artificial intelligence tools will provide you with comprehensive and detailed data intelligence reports for the positive results. While following your negotiation preferences, our software goes through a 6-step automated process and allows your customers to find trade-in values, pre-approval limits, various rebates, and upsell options. Once your customer negotiates and commits the final price, we send a confirmation voucher to all parties for finishing remaining formalities. Finally, we also offer an app that uses QR codes, which you can display on your vehicles. Customers can scan immediately after their test drives and begin negotiations. Once the customer commits to your product, you can manage the remaining formalities and turn high-quality commitments into revenue. Interested? We are now offering a free beta for a limited time to try out our deal closing software.